In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to locate your WhatsApp backup data within Google Drive. Whether you're trying to manage your storage space or are simply curious about your backups, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process easily. Let's jump in. First, open Google Drive using your web browser. Once you're on the home page, shift your focus to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is your main navigation panel where you'll find options for accessing different sections of your Google Drive. From there, locate and click on the Storage option. This is an important step because it takes you to a page that provides a complete overview of how your Google Drive storage is being used, including all the space taken up by backups. Understanding this overview can be quite handy for managing your storage efficiently and knowing where to focus if you're running low on space. This step helps guide you to the exact location where your backup data is stored. On this page, look for the Backups option. You'll usually find it in the left sidebar, quite similar to where the Storage option was. Sometimes, though, it could be located in the upper right corner, so keep an eye out for that slight difference. Click on Backups. This will direct you to a section within Google Drive that houses backups from various apps and devices associated with your Google account. It's a centralized area where all backup data is stored, making accessibility easier when you need to manage or clear up data. Once inside the Backup section, you'll be able to view a list of available backups. Now, since this demonstration is using a test account, you might not see any real backups listed. However, typically this list would include Android device backups, app data, and of course your WhatsApp backups. Now you'll want to specifically look for the entry labeled WhatsApp. This is where your chat history is securely stored. It's important to remember that these backups are encrypted, so while you can locate them, you won't be able to open or read the messages directly within Google Drive. This security measure ensures that your data remains private and protected. If you're trying to clear up space, it's useful to know where these backups are located. From this section, you can delete any old or unused backups to free up storage. Just make sure that you really don't need the data before removing anything permanently, as once deleted, it can't be recovered. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to access and locate your WhatsApp backup files through Google Drive. It may not be something you use daily, but it's valuable knowledge for storage management or cleanup when needed. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.